Hey, how are you guys doing today? Today I want to talk to you guys about the best way to make closed captioning for your YouTube videos. But first I want to tell you guys why it's important to have closed captioning on your YouTube videos. Google tries to figure out what your video is about, and the best way for Google to do that is through words and things being said on your video. So if your closed captioning isn't there or misspelled or problems with it, Google won't be able to find the keywords that are in your closed captioning to be able to rank for that. So without closed captioning, it won't know what your video is about. So you have to tell the computer, hey, these are the words being said, and the computer algorithm can figure out what it's about and then show it to the right people. Having closed captioning on your videos will help you with your view duration, because people will actually stick around and watch more of it because they can understand what you're saying. Me personally, I'm trying to rank for how to close caption your YouTube videos. So if I say that a lot in this YouTube video, closed captioning, it will pick out these words and show it to people looking for closed captioning for your YouTube video. Okay, so that's the why you want to close caption. Next is gonna be how to close caption. So you could let the YouTube algorithm try to figure out what you're trying to say. A lot of the times it might not be accurate and you might have to manually go in to adjust that. To get to closed captioning for YouTube, you're gonna go to the YouTube studio, click on videos, click on the video that you want closed captioning for, subtitles, and then you're gonna click the one that says automatic. It's gonna allow you to fine-tune the automatic words that they've already found for you. So here's what they came up with. You're gonna hit edit. Here's where you could go through, fix anything that looks to be problematic, like misspelled words, all that kind of stuff. So you could go through, manually do it this way. It might take you a little bit of time, but it's probably the best free thing that you could do when it comes to closed captioning. So you could even take this closed captioning, download the SRT file in Actions. You can download and you'll have the SRT file on your computer, save it with your project. And then if you were to upload this somewhere else like Facebook, you could upload the edited SRT file with it as well. And when you're all done, just go ahead and hit publish edits and it'll save everything and you'll be good to go when it comes to this video. And all the keywords, everything would be spelled correctly. So when it comes to Google trying to figure out what your video is, since they can't read a video image yet, at least they can go in through now and actually see words that you're trying to rank for. And that'll help with finding your video on YouTube. So if this wasn't easy enough, then there are two even easier options, but they do cost money. The first option that I love is a website called rev.com. You send them a link to your video and there's someone who manually on the other side plugs in all the information. You have to send them keywords, like if you have certain spellings of names or a product that they don't know necessarily, you'll have to type in, if it's an uncommon word, you'll have to assist them in the correct spelling of that. They go through and do it all by hand. And the best part is they only charge you $1.25 per minute. So if you have a 5-minute video, it's gonna cost you it's gonna cost you $6.25 to close caption the video. Whereas if you did it the other way, it would take you just as long and still might have some error and a little bit of frustration possibly. These people on the other end of rev.com will just take care of it for you. A link to rev.com will be in the description, so you can check that out. And the last thing is the newest one that I discovered. It's called Zubtitle. Not only does Zubtitle do the SRT file, they also put the closed captioning in either a header or on the bottom on the screen, like a physical text that pops up that runs perfect with timing with your video. If they might not even happen to click closed captioning, the words will still pop up on the screen, which seems like a really cool feature because a lot of people might not necessarily click the closed captioning button down here that will go ahead and close caption stuff. This is great for Instagram videos is what I'm thinking of, because a lot of people scrolling through, I think they say 80% of the people scrolling through do not click to listen to the video. So if you have the words up for them so they don't have to worry about clicking closed captioning, then this would be a perfect option for them because they're still able to understand what you're saying and see it, and you'll probably have longer view duration, which would be good for ranking as well. When you sign up, in the link in the description below, you get 1 free video upload, and so you could try it out for yourself. And for $19 a month, you get to upload 10 videos, which is $2 a video, which is a crazy awesome deal. So if you're uploading a lot of videos to YouTube, I would suggest going to Zubtitle, link in description, and checking them out. So once you get the SRT file, you go back to the YouTube and upload your own in that section that we were in. And that right there was reasons why you should upload an SRT file, closed captioning file, to YouTube, and a few different options on how to do that. If you guys found this video really helpful, make sure you subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.